Top 6 Smart Steps for Safe Contact Lens Use. Navigating the world of contact lenses can feel like walking a tightrope between crystal clear vision and potential eye woes. But fear not, keeping your eyes healthy and your vision sharp is simpler than you think. Dive in as we demystify the do's and don'ts of contact lens wear, ensuring that every blink is both comfortable and carefree. Contact lenses are a popular alternative to glasses and can provide a lot of conveniences. However, to ensure eye health and comfort, it's essential to practice proper lens care and hygiene. Here's a list of do's and don'ts when wearing contact lenses. To maintain optimal eye health and lens comfort when wearing contact lenses, one should adhere to a comprehensive set of best practices. Do's. Number 1. Begin by washing your hands with soap and water, drying them with a lint-free towel before handling your lenses. Each lens should be carefully inspected for damage or dirt prior to insertion. Number 2. Always use optometrist recommended products for cleaning, rinsing, and disinfecting lenses, ensuring they're replaced as per the prescribed schedule. While daily disposables are for single use only, monthly variants need replacement every 30 days. It's also essential to stick to the wearing schedule specified by your optometrist, as some lenses are designed for daily wear and others for extended durations. A well maintained and periodically replaced lens case is pivotal in preventing infections. Number 3. Always have an up to date pair of glasses at your disposal in situations where contact lenses aren't suitable. Regular eye checkups can't be stressed enough, and it's wise to use re-wetting drops for dryness relief. Each time you store your lenses, employ fresh solution without reusing old ones. Number 4. Always being equipped with a lens case and solution is a smart move, especially for emergencies. Furthermore, to extend the life of your lens solutions, use older bottles first, ensuring they don't expire. Familiarize yourself with the lens type you wear and their care guidelines. Number 5. Minimize screen time or follow the 20-20-20 rule to reduce eye strain. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, especially vitamin A and omega 3s, coupled with adequate hydration, benefit eye health. While outdoors, sunglasses provide added protection against UV rays, even if your contact lenses already offer UV shielding. High intensity activities might warrant a switch to glasses to safeguard against dirt or water. Listen to your eye's needs, taking breaks if discomfort or dryness ensues. When traveling, being prepared with travel sized lens solutions, an extra lens pair, and a copy of your prescription is prudent. Number 6. Makeup users should exercise caution, prioritizing hypoallergenic products and avoiding direct lens contact. It's also advisable to steer clear from smoky, dusty, or highly polluted zones. Should you partake in activities with potential chemical exposure, know the emergency protocols, especially regarding lenswear. Efficient storage involves clean cases filled with fresh solutions, especially for extended durations. Lastly, with the ever evolving lens care landscape, staying informed about the latest products, technologies, and research is beneficial. Dancing on the edge of perfect vision? Beware! While contact lenses can be your best friend, they have a few rules of their own. Venture with us as we uncover the cardinal don'ts of lenswear and make sure your sight stays splendid without any missteps. When wearing contact lenses, certain practices should be avoided to maintain optimal eye health. Number 1. Do not sleep with your lenses in unless they're explicitly made for overnight use and your optometrist has approved it. Number 2. Exposing lenses to tap water. Whether from showers or pools, this can introduce harmful organisms leading to severe infections. Thus, refrain from using tap water or saliva for cleaning or moistening your lenses. Number 3. Always adhere to the prescribed wear duration for your lenses. Extending their use can cause oxygen deprivation and subsequent complications. Any signs of eye infection, such as redness or irritation, should be a cue to stop wearing your contacts and seek immediate advice from an eye doctor. Number 4. Damaged or dirty lenses should be discarded, and under no circumstance should lenses be shared with others. Using expired contacts or solutions or inserting lenses without proper cleaning can jeopardize eye health. Number 5. Always be attentive to discomfort. If your lenses don't feel right, it's essential to consult a professional. Heat exposure can deform lenses, so avoid leaving them in places like hot cars. Environments with harmful chemicals or smoky areas can damage the lenses and irritate the eyes. Avoid direct exposure of aerosol products like hairsprays to your eyes when wearing lenses. If your eyes require medicinal ointments, only use lenses if your optometrist deems it safe. In situations where a lens feels stuck, apply moisturizing drops and patiently wait. Forcing its removal can harm the eye. Vigorous rubbing can displace or damage the lens, so be gentle. Number 6. Always use appropriate solutions for lens care and avoid transferring them to other containers, which can compromise sterility. The lens case should be kept free from contaminants, including cosmetics or creams. If you've recently had eye surgeries or injuries, only wear your contacts once you have a clear go ahead from your eye doctor. Lastly, maintain a stringent lens care routine and ensure the tip of the lens solution bottle remains uncontaminated. Failing to adhere to the advised practices for contact lens wear can put your eyes at risk of multiple issues. Neglecting proper contact lens care can lead to a range of eye health issues. Failing to clean lenses adequately can introduce harmful bacteria and fungi, potentially causing serious infections. Wearing damaged lenses or mishandling them can result in corneal abrasions, causing immediate pain and heightening the risk of further complications. Moreover, consistently overwearing or using inappropriate lenses can deprive the cornea of essential oxygen, prompting unwanted blood vessel growth that might cloud vision. Such oversights over time can induce dry eyes, allergic reactions from residue in lenses, or expired solutions, and, in extreme situations, conditions like corneal ulcers. In some cases, continuous misuse could even culminate in irreversible vision damage. For the sake of eye health and clear vision, it's crucial to follow care guidelines diligently and seek expert advice if any abnormalities or discomfort arise. So, there we have it, the essential do's and don'ts of wearing contact lenses. Remember, the right care makes all the difference, not just for the comfort, but for the health of your eyes. If you've got any tips or experiences of your own, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this guide useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more eye care content. Stay clear sighted and take care of those peepers, everyone. Until our next video, bye for now.